Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna continue working on part 8 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the previous video, we were able to start adding the second floor. We added the furniture. Now we're gonna continue working on this. So here I'm gonna zoom here, and I'm just going to use my arrow key so that I could move it a little bit like that. Let's go to Insert, Load Family, and then under Furniture, let's go and add in some nightstand table. So I'm gonna click Open, CM, and then let's add it right about here. So I'm gonna add it here as well. And then right after that, we're gonna add in a table lamp. So go back to the main, go to Lighting, Architecture, and then Internal. We have one of the lighting right here, which is a table lamp. I'm gonna try and add this. Click on Open, and then CM. Here I'm gonna place it in the middle, but I want to see that actual height here, so let's add in a section so that we could see that. And then we need to flip it to the other side, and then double click here. And then we're going to use Align tool so that we could align it perfectly right about there. And then let's move it a little bit up, because this is something like that. Let's see if we could align it. There we go. Now if we check it, it's actually 762 offset to the host, which is level 2. So now we could erase this and then go to level 2, and then here if we select this one, if we type in CS, that's create similar, we could basically add this. And if you notice right here in the properties, it will adhere to the numbers that you added right here as well. So now we're gonna just add it in the middle of the table so that we could have a side table in our bedroom. Now we're gonna press escape and then escape again. I'm going to add in our washer and dryer. So let's go to Load Family, go back to the main, and then go to Specialty Equipment, Domestic, Mid-Range, and then we have washer right here, and then we have a washer dryer combo. Let's click Open, and then CM, and let's add the washer and dryer right about here. So in North America, newer houses now, their washer and dryer is, or their laundry room is at the second floor. So the reason for that is obviously it's better to just do your laundry on the second floor instead of you going to the basement or whatever. So here I'm gonna select this equipment and then edit type, and then uncheck the show label, apply, and then OK. I'm going also to add some storage right here. So I'm gonna add a line there and then a dash line as well. So now we have our laundry here. Actually, what we could do is we could make it an L shape, and then this one as well, and we could just trim and extend, TR, trim and extend, and then trim and extend right here. So at least we'll be able to maximize the storage space right here. So now that I'm happy with that, we're going to right now add. We could add some curtain wall. So click on architecture, click on wall, and then right here under drop down, curtain wall, and then we're gonna add our windows. So here I'm probably gonna add 3 windows, so around 250. So I'm gonna delete that again, and then click curtain wall again, or the wall, 250, enter, and then another 250. For some reason I'm getting that, so 250, enter, and then here I'm just gonna add it on the side here, and then I'm just going to delete this and nudge this one in place. So in terms of exact dimension, I'm just basically eyeballing this. So I have this one, and then I'm going to add a window right here as well, and then a window here on this. So I'm going to give it a nice big window, and then also we're going to add a window right here. Make sure that your curtain wall is from the inside of the wall. So what you can do is just click on spacebar to change orientation. So here, for example, CS, I'm gonna add a window here. So you can spacebar to just change orientation, and then add it right there. So now once you add everything, we can click on modify, and then click on cut. That's cut geometry. What you can do is you can select the wall and then the window or the curtain wall. So select the wall first and then the curtain wall, and then I'm probably gonna add a window here as well. So select that, CS, and here I'm gonna flip it by clicking on spacebar, and then I'm gonna add that. Click on cut geometry, and then do it again. So now that's good. I just noticed that we haven't added the door here, so I'm gonna select that one, CS, and I'm going to flip it on this way. So I just noticed that, seeing that something is wrong here, and then I figure out that I forgot to put in the door. So now I'm just double checking everything. We have the sliding door here. We also have our thing here. Now let's go further and let's go to our 3D. So go to your 3D, and then here we're gonna set the height that we want. So most of the time around -400. I'm happy with that. And then after that, AL, align on all of them. And then here, if you want to multiple align, you could just check that one, so that we don't need to look for the base that we're gonna use, just to make it simpler for everyone. So now we're good. You can uncheck that because right now we have different heights. So here I know this is a washroom, so I'm just gonna add it right there. And then here, this is, I'm gonna do something right here to make it nice. And then here, I'm gonna pull it up. And then I'm just going to use this align tool to just set all of them in the same height, like that. And then here, what I'm planning to do is to add a balcony, and also right here I want to add a balcony as well. So my balcony here is going on this side, and then here going on this side. So now for the height on this side, I'm gonna pull it up a little bit. So I'm just gonna pull that one a little bit up. So I'm happy with this. This one will be all the way in the floor. And then now, what I need to figure out or to finish off is to add the flooring. So now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to level 2 and add in the floor. So go to architecture, click on floor, and then edit type, duplicate. This will be floor number 3. Press OK, edit, and then let's change this. The thickness will be still 200, but this one I want my second floor wall or floor to be wood. So I'm gonna choose one of this. Probably gonna choose mahogany. Click apply, OK, and then OK. After that, what I usually do is I'm gonna use my pick line and pick it from the inside. From the inside so that it doesn't show onto our wall. So that's one of the reason. But this is just basically a design portion of the architecture. So usually if you want to convert this one to construction drawing, you need to put it in the core or in the middle of the wall. Most of the time the core is in the middle. So now I'm gonna pick this one again, and we need to go around here as well. So TR, trim and extend at the corner. And what I usually do first is to click on finish. I want to make sure everything is good now, and then here I'll probably just do this now as well, so that I don't need to go back again. Delete this. We could just trim and extend, and then SL here, so to split this one, TR, trim and extend. So now we're probably just going to extend this, but for now I just want to click on finish to see what we've done. So right now, this is the look that we're having. Nothing is extending. We're going to extend it now. So we're probably going to extend this one all the way right here. At the same time, we're going to use that as a balcony. So what we could do is we could go to our underlay, click change done to level 1, and then let's edit the floor. So let's try and get the floor, edit boundary, and then we're going to click on pick line so that we know how far we're going. And then here, delete this, delete right here, and then we could delete this. TR, trim and extend, and then click finish, and then let's look at it again. So at least this one was moved, and then we have this one now, and then we could work on this. So at least this one is closed. We just need to worry about the look of that. So if you see, or if we change this, this is wood, but basically we could do is we could split face so that we don't need to add another one, but we're probably going to do that after we do this one as well, because we're going to use the same floor to extend it here. So now I'm going to do is going to give this one right about 1000. So just 1000, and then I'm gonna use this line, and then I'm gonna create a line right here so that we could go around, and then trim, TR, trim this one, and then trim this one. So now everything is proper. We're probably going to push this back because it's outside, so that it's not showing on the wall. Click on finish, and then let's look at it in 3D. So now it's looking like this. What we could do now is to change this materials. So at the top right here, we're going to paint this one as, let's use laminate, just to change the materials from that. Here as well, and then here. That's something that it's not visible anyway, because we're going to change that, but basically I just want to remove anything from there. After that, we're going to change this material as well, because obviously you're not gonna push the materials from here and to be exposed to elements. So what we could do is we could go here to level 2, and we're going to click on split face under modify, and then after that we're gonna select this face. Once you select the face, click on line, and then here we're going to change this materials from here. Click finish, and then again we're gonna select that again, or we could just click on face, split face, and we're going to change the materials on this face. So now we're going to use this. We're going to go around, and then right here. And then click on finish. So now we could add a paint on those area, and then it will be changed to a different material. So I'm gonna select that, and then let's use anything concrete that we have. So I'm gonna use concrete precast, and then select that, and then select here. So now at least we change it. I'm happy with that. So let's stop here for now and continue on the next video. Thank you for watching and hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.